Hey guys, it's Brandon Miniman from Pocketnow. For those of you that don't know me, I'm going to be making videos for Pocketnow on a regular basis now. For those of you that do know me from doing videos in the past, hello again. I'm back and I'm going to be doing videos and hopefully you like them. There's a bunch of things I want to talk about on video going forward. For example, a lot of people are talking about the notch on phones and how we're trying to get to this future where we have a high screen to body ratio with no notch. It's the dream. There's no blocking of the screen. It's just a large screen in your hands with minimum bezels. Well, I want to talk about the notch and why I think it's one of the most important smartphone design elements to come around in a very long time, and why we should actually embrace the notch, and why there are some problems with the bezel-less displays like you get on the Vivo Nex or the Oppo Find X. Another thing I want to talk about in a future video is how to have a new phone almost all the time at minimum cost by buying and selling at the exact right time. There's kind of an ebb and flow to phone cycles, and the values of phones fluctuate so frequently. And there's a method that you can use to be able to buy and sell phones on a regular basis and basically have one of the newest phones at all times at a very minimum cost. Of course, I'm going to be doing unboxings and reviews because those are always really fun. And another thing is I have phones that are 5, 10, 15 years old, and I think they're kind of interesting because they let us see kind of how we got to where we are today. So I'm going to go down memory lane, talk about the Palm Pre, and the Motorola Q9H, and the HTC Titan, and a lot of those old school devices that many of us have forgotten about, but there's actually a lot to be learned from these devices from the past. So I'm going to be doing videos for Pocketnow again. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too, and I hope you like the videos that I make. That's it for now.